Pippy the parrot had a terrible cold. Every few minutes, achoo! She sneezed so hard her feathers ruffled and nearby animals flew backwards. Achoo! A rabbit tumbled into a bush. Achoo! 3 squirrels spun like helicopters. Achoo! Even the grumpy owl fell off his branch. Pippy, please cover your beak, the animals begged. Sorry, I can't help. Achoo! This sneeze was so powerful, it blew all the leaves off the trees, making it look like autumn instantly. A wise turtle said, try holding your breath. Pippy held it, then sneezed so loud the echo scared a sleeping bear 3 miles away. The animal sighed, get well soon, Pippy, please.